You ever wonder what would happen if the moon suddenly disappeared from the night sky? Would life on Earth continue as normal? Or would our planet experience some dramatic changes? Well, the moon is a big deal. It's our only natural satellite, and it has been with us for at least 4.5 billion years. The gravitational pull of the moon causes tides on Earth, and it also stabilizes our planet's tilt. Without the moon, we would have extreme weather and possibly no life as we know it. If the moon were to magically vanish, we wouldn't even notice it at first. Its absence would not be felt for several weeks, as it takes that long for the Earth's systems to feel the gravitational effects of the missing moon, but eventually all hell would break loose. First up, the ocean tides would cease to exist. They are generated by the gravitational pull of the moon and also the sun. With the moon gone, our oceans would be in a state of chaos. Consequences would be devastating for coastal communities and coastal ecosystems. The waves would still rise and fall, but only about half as high as they do now. Next, our planet's tilt would become unstable.
Wow.
The moon's gravity pulls the Earth's equator bulge into a bit of a wider orbit. Without this force, our planet would wobble on its axis, and the climate zones would shift dramatically. This would cause massive extinctions of plants and animals around the world. Then there's the slightly terrifying prospect of a year without seasons. The moon plays a vital role in stabilizing the Earth's tilt and its gravitational pull helps to keep our planet's orbit around the sun nice and stable. Without the moon, our orbit would become more elliptical, and we could face some scorching summers and some freezing winters. Finally, there's the small matter of a slightly shorter day. The moon makes our days a little longer, because its gravity slows the Earth's rotation down a little bit. Without the moon, our days would be about 6 hours shorter. It means more sunlight, higher temperatures, and possibly more sunburns. So yeah, we'd probably die without the moon. But there's one other big question. What if the moon disappeared and then reappeared somewhere else in the solar system? Well, it turns out the moon could survive just fine on its own. In fact, it could even thrive in another part of the solar system. There are plenty of places where the moon could go, where it could still orbit a planet and possibly even become a part of an alien civilization. The moon landing was one of the greatest achievements of the 20th century. Watch this next video to find out how the Apollo 11 mission made history.